the message dey very clear. You understand? Fela don first talk and say, I sorry for Africa, I sorry for Nigeria. E dey very clear. E no surprise me say China carry our picture, use us dey compare monkey, tiger, lion, all those things. E no surprise me. Yes, for one side, now we get those animals. Yes, e come from Africa. But the same animals when these idiot people take dey compare us so, they no get most of these animals. For the whole Europe, as you see the whole Europe, even Asia, you know, na only Africa na get the complete animals for this world. Na only Africa, and many of these animals when they get, even tiger, lion, many of these animals now from Africa they take and go there. Should be understand, but it is very stupid of them to take our own picture. They compare animals, you know. And you see, we dey practice this 21st centuries, but I don't know how me and some other of my youth still dey practice am, because we live wetin we go handle, we dey handle different thing. You understand? This na really na messed up, you know. Na messed up. How China when e be say we dey accommodate for inside our country? How many of us dey inside China dey hustle money? How many of us don go China go make am? We dey my African brothers dey carry money go China go do business. Still here, they no dey give them permit. They will dey renew visa. They will dey there till they renew visa. But China dey Africa, they make money with their company, with their rotty teeth. They make money for all corners. We don't dey pay tax, nothing. They are making money, and they'll still get the mind, still carry Africa picture, they compare and join animal. So they no say we be animal, but they come inside Africa, they will come stay there, they will come they chop money from there. They'll come they open business for where monkey dey abi. So we be monkey now, they come they open business there. You see, make I just let my African brothers and sisters know. You when they shout, oh China, oh this one, don't be racist, don't be this one, don't be that. You are a fool, you be musi. I don't care if you want, if you want to follow me, I don't even send. You understand? Because I know they use this platform to the chop. You know, I just they do one. Now me they will spend money put. You understand? So if you want to follow me, I don't care. You see, with the practice waiting not go favor us. You see now, after the Europeans don't finally take us, they see they take, we still know. Now they come pass some to Asia now. You see, China now, before maybe I believe say maybe 100 years before now, fear not go let China do this rubbish, but now they don't do one because they don't see they don't get power past Africa, abi. Now the same China now go pass on to Korea, Korea go pass on to Pakistan, Pakistan go pass on to this one. Now so they take the share and they go. Now so that they reduce us. You know what this thing mean? You know what it mean? If you know, not you they look this thing say now just honorary picture. This not be honorary picture. If you don't know, this not be honorary picture. This thing they show to their children when they 2 years, 3 years, 4 years. You can imagine those children go grow tomorrow. When they reach 10 years, when they see African man for their country or for their land, they look like monkey, like slave. Then this one I don't they show them for museum. Then what did they teach them for school? Do you know that these people they teach their children for school say Africa are nonsense, but they did inside Africa they make money. They did inside Africa they make money with their business, with their family. They live where they give the VIP. They even bring their come, say me they come manufacture or come do production. I know the way they take care of them for inside Africa. Me and you know they get that permission and that right when they get for inside Africa. But the same Africa now they do like this for their museum. Now shame, now slap to our face. You understand? Now really big slap to our face. You see, listen, make I tell you, you see why I always talk about religion? Because many of us not get sense again. Even me, I not come on myself, we not even get sense again. And the time we want to wake up, we not going to still wake up. We not going to still wake up because with the practice religion say, oh, he say die, he died for our sin, and if we he say more forgive. Abi, you they forgive people when it be say for good 400 years they not change. Do you need to forgive those kind of people? 500 years they not change. You can imagine that they pass on to generation now, and with the suffer and they hit us very hard. You see, now this the same useless Chinese people now, they Africa, they make money, they want land for Africa, they want share Africa into two. They want stay Africa and see what they show. So now they try to let us show all these things to their children and to their families, so that when they come, they go just see they'll just begin to misbehave to you. They'll just take your land for no reason, so that they'll get that mind to kill you. Say, yeah, it should be animal. Now, what did the practice be that one? May our ancestors help us, because now mess we do, we not even know. Now big mess we did. You understand? I know they call on Africa leaders because I know we know get leaders. I'm not even sure if we go ever get leader for Africa. You understand? Now really, as in a really shame. Now shame to us. Now shame to our Africa leaders. Now big shame. You know, now big shame to us. See, China, just China we hungry they beat. See, no matter the development wey China get today, if Africa no contribute, e no go stand. Because you see this so-called China, the Europeans not send them. They know they not send them. They don't dey follow. I mean things, even if they buy from them, e no fit be like Africa. All the money wey they see for inside China, all the money wey they make for inside China, the money na from Africa. Na e for come. The China from Africa they use am. Go America, go Europe side. You go hardly see European when they use China phone. If they say they use China phone, you must get another product, another country phone, like maybe America phone, like iPhone or Samsung. You understand? But now Africa, there is everything about China. But see what they do Africa for inside China. Yeah. Now my question now be this: how many of these things una don't teach una children? How many did they teach us? Even when they grow, they come. They teach us anything about slavery? No, they not teach us anything. They teach us say as they take our things, see as they can't take kill, see how they take do this. They not teach us. The only thing when they teach us that time for school, they'll tell us say Christopher Columbus discovered America, of which we all know sin and lie. Now what they teach us be that one. You see. The education when they put for our head, na nonsense. The real education is not the Africa. The real education, they educate their children, make they hate us more, make they look us like animal. Why they educate us, make we look them like Jesus, make we look them like God. You know they wonder why it be say if maybe any Oyibo go anywhere for Africa, they wonder why people they see them, they say wow, see Oyibo, wow, see Oyibo. No, not because I say that they see the color for the first time, not being. You know why they like the thing they surprise that they like to conclude. You know why? Because they tell you say Jesus now Oyibo. They ever tell you say even Jesus Papa, which is God when they heaven. They say now he carry Oyibo face. They tell you say angel now Oyibo. They tell you say Mary now Oyibo. Jesus generation now Oyibo. So what do you think? What do you can't think? What do you think say this our people, our African brothers and sisters, when they say they never see Oyibo before, when they see Oyibo for the first time, or when they always see Oyibo, what do you think say they'll think? They'll say yes, now our God be this one. That's why they say that they don't follow them. But that will not be the something. Now this one a big shame to Africa leaders. See, China get the mind they do this kind of thing. Not be to do. You don't tell when they do this thing they can. Don't tell. Now just Facebook. Now just the open sun. When they think say na new thing, it's not new thing. See, bros, if you see all these things, whether they mature, whether they kill, whether they destroy, it's not new. You don't tell. You know how many years? But we no one wake up. When we go wake up, when we go start to teach the young ones. When we go start to see the lecture ourselves, when we don't see mature more say history, see how to run things. When the time go ever come, we go to see this thing say normal. It's not normal. It's not normal. It's not normal because we don't finish. You understand? We don't finish. I swear, we don't finish. You can imagine this kind of nonsense. China won't agree the beat. There is no how rich as China go reach today when they take better past Africa. Forget say Africa leader go they take money. This one are corruption. Now thief they worry there. The money when they get for Switzerland, when they get for France, or for America, it pass the one when they go they borrow. Now thief they worry there. Everything they say Africa. Africa not be heaven. You understand? Religion don't finish us kata. Instead of us to fight for our right, instead of us to see what they wrong, we talk and we they say, oh Jesus. I'm sorry to say because it not help us. The Jesus Christ died for our sin, the God in heaven, nothing, no one don't help us. It not help us. If you want serve God, serve God. But remember, say as you serve God, you serve Jesus Christ. Remember, say you get role to play. When they join the two together, it no ever work. So we they join everything together. And that's why not they work for us. Because we go live where we go fight for justice. We go the open scripture. When we go change, when we go learn. when we go begin wise, when we go wake up, when?